guys, Kimberly Caldwell here. Now let me get straight to the point. 50 million people suffer from autoimmune disease. One of those people happens to be Amy Lacey, the creator of Cali'flour Foods. Now, when Amy was diagnosed with lupus, she set out on a mission to not only create healthy, but also tasty food that everybody can enjoy. And that is how Cali'flour Foods was born. Well, I myself have a gluten intolerance, but I love pizza and pasta, just like you. So that's why I'm so excited to be teaming up with Cali'flour Foods to be hosting a very cool Cali'flour Club. So we want you guys to come along for the ride. Welcome to the Cali'flour Club.
You are what you eat. And I think the key to life in general is everything in moderation. Health is wealth, honey.
Welcome to the Cali'flour Club.
Cheers!
Okay, I'm so excited to introduce you guys to my dearest friend, the first member of the Cali'flour Club. This is the winner of The Voice, Alisan Porter. I call her Allie. She's one of my dearest friends. We are now grown and have babies. You're an incredible mother. She's a singer, songwriter. She does it all. This is why we're here today, is because I need my kid to eat healthy.
Eat some food.
And I need you to help teach me how you have your kids eating so healthy. Are you ready for this?
Sure.
So I have to show you all about this cauliflower pizza.
It's amazing,
this is your
right?
favorite. So there's only 4 ingredients in this pizza.
Okay,
and
so
it's
we got
actually
cauliflower,
fresh cauliflower.
Okay, you tell me.
Mozzarella cheese.
Really?
Seasoning.
Okay.
And
Eggs?
Eggs!
Ta-da!
She got
Got
it. But the cool thing about this is you're not like sacrificing the taste.
Totally.
And that's why I love cauliflower. Okay, so talk to me about what we're gonna do the toppings with today.
Well,
Your favorite topping.
I was just saying that, like, maybe not a mushroom all the time, but I would do a sauce and then kind of chop up like carrots or zucchini or broccoli and kind of mix it with the sauce so they don't know that
we're tricking them.
You know that there's veggies in the sauce.
I
But
love it.
I mean, so we could just pretend that we
let's do it.
you know, whipped up some veggies in here. And like if you chop it up really fine, they don't know. They just think they're eating pizza.
Okay, so why is it important to you for you and your kids to eat a clean diet?
I mean, I just see a huge difference in like their behavior. Like when my kids eat pizza, I know for the next 2 to 3 hours, they're gonna be insane. But if they're eating something like this, they're a little more calm, they can focus, they can, I mean, I think—
Manageable.
What is it, like you are what you eat, or let thy food be thy medicine?
Yeah.
Like it's true. So this is a vegan cheese.
Oh my goodness.
So we can-
And are you like a little cheese or a lot of cheese girl? I'm a lot of cheese
I'm a
girl.
lot of cheese. Okay, and then this is
Little pepperoni?
turkey pepperoni. I think maybe let's do half. Like some kids like it, some kids don't. So
And
there
we
you go.
already secretly mixed in a little mushrooms in our sauce, and so we're ready to go. All right, well, we have some catching up to do, so let's
must.
toss this in the oven.
You got it.
And go have some girl talk.
Okay.
Let's do it. So what are some of the tricks that you have for having your kids, you know, stay
Eat
on track
healthy?
with you? Yeah.
I think there's like a couple of like really like weird things, like how I cut like fruits and vegetables for their lunch.
I love that.
You know, like they like those little carrots, but they like them cut the long way. So I'm like, okay, well, if you like that, then you have to learn how to do it. So now they're like starting to cut cucumbers, and
Oh, so
they
you
help.
guys are cooking together.
Like I think having them help, if they help, they'll try different things.
I love that.
Like my daughter, we made my grandmother's like meatballs the other night, and she had her hands like in the meat.
In
and
it.
They're gluten-free, by the way. I use a gluten-free breadcrumb. So she had her hands in there and she was rolling up the meatballs, and I think when they help, they are more interested in trying the food that they cook.
And, okay, I have to know, what do you put in your kids' lunch boxes?
Okay, Mason loves a turkey sandwich. Aria loves a sun butter and jelly sandwich. That's
Oh,
like their
has to be
favorite.
sun butter.
Or I'll do like pasta, or I'll do little meatballs, turkey meatballs sometimes. And then there's always a cut up fruit, a cut up veggie, and some kind of like cracker and
I love it.
cheese, or yogurt, or
Okay, you're making me hungry right now.
yeah, I don't know,
But
hard-boiled
this is why I
egg.
love Cali'flour Foods, is because the thing about
Well,
their pasta
I would just give them
is
this, the pasta, just
exactly
plain,
is that
or,
it doesn't even need to be hot. It can it's just as good cold.
or what about even just the crust? Like if you sliced it in a certain way, or
Right.
like took a
Dip
cookie
it in a
cutter
little ranch.
and hummus or ranch. I mean, you could
yeah,
just
you
eat
said
the crust.
hummus, I said ranch.
And your kids are getting, that's like, I'm a Jew, you're from Texas,
I know,
that's
I was about to
why.
say, we dip everything in ranch in Texas.
No, but like, I mean,
Or
that's just a
barbecue
great
sauce.
idea. I feel like just the crust alone has so much protein that you could just cut it up and have your kids dip it in the sauce, and that's enough for a really high protein, good lunch.
Okay, welcome to the Cali'flour Club, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. This is so exciting.
Thanks for having
us.
us.
I wanted to introduce all of you because you're all like-minded, healthy women that are out just kicking butt on a daily basis.
I think that sounds so good.
Okay, so I want you guys to all kind of like meet and mingle. And first of all, let me just tell you, because this is my oldest, dearest friend here. This is
Keep saying old.
I
know. That intro.
We're the same age, it's okay.
This is Alisan Porter, but apparently she's like Allison now, which is very
Well,
cool.
professionally, I
She's
was
a-
always Allison.
she's
Just
a-
Allie to you.
She's a mom, the winner of The Voice.
Oh,
But also, she's Curly Sue.
Oh God.
She's Curly
Oh
Sue,
my
guys.
God, no
What does that mean?
way.
Do you remember the movie
I don't know.
Curly
You
Sue?
are
How
no
was it?
Curly
Yes,
Sue.
you
You
were
are
not.
not.
I
No,
thought
you
she
were
said
not.
Curly
You were
Sue.
little Curly
Curly
Sue.
Curly Sue.
Oh, you're all grown up
I
now.
am.
I
I
love
am.
that
So
movie.
the cool thing, and this is why I brought you guys here today, is because you guys are so health conscious, and you're active and you're energetic and you're on the go, and so you need things that are like available for you,
Yes.
and that's what
Yeah.
I'm here with Cali'flour Foods. And so they have like the yummiest pizzas, and this is what we made with you today:
What is it?
half cheese and half pepperoni, because she has children, and they don't always agree on things.
And we kind
Right.
of blended
Cute.
some extra veggies in the sauce to, hide a little
Nice,
cheese.
nice. Okay.
Yeah, little mushrooms in there. They won't know. We diced them
Cute.
up fine. Okay, you guys, let's dig in.
Yes,
Start
I'm
it.
hungry.
Okay,
I'm
let's do it.
excited to try this.
Girls, thank you so much for joining me here today. This was the first
Thank
ever
you for having us.
Cali'flour Club. Awesome. Cali'flour, thank you so much for having us today. It's such a thrill to be surrounded by such inspirational, amazing women that are celebrating making healthy choices. Cheers to you, Cali'flour.
Thank you,
Oh,
Cauliflower.
Cheers.
Cheers. Gluten free.